Hi everyone. Today I have Chuck's Breckwell brand Pellet Stove Controller on my workbench. Chuck sent this to me because he was having problems with his stove and this indicator light at the top of the control panel would not come on. I'm now ready to run it through my final test procedure, and I have it connected to my tester. So when I do turn it on using the on-off switch, I expect the combustion indicated light bulb, the one in blue, to come on, as well as the convection indicated light bulb, the one marked in red. So let me go ahead and turn that on, and they come on. The reason they come on is because I don't have any temperature sensor switches on my tester. I just have all that stuff bypassed. The next thing I can do, I can test here, is the high fan position switch. And when I do that, we'll see that the red indicated bulb for the convection fan will go to maximum. There it is. You can see that in the video. It gets brighter, dim, brighter, dim. The other test that includes that convection fan is if I go to the low position, or sorry, if I rotate the low to max position, this light will increase in intensity as I cycle through B, C, D, E. F will come on, and max. So F and max on this controller are the same intensity. D is a little less, C, B, and low. So that's all functioning. So I can also test the manual feed switch. So when I press that, the auger light, the one indicated in yellow, will come on. So feed, release, feed, release. So there, that's all functioning. Now I can switch over to automatic. I can do that by pressing on the auger button. Two things will happen when I do that. One is the green indicated light will come on, the little green LED. And because this stove has a hot rod igniter on it, the light bulb that I've labeled igniter will come on as well. But it'll come on when I release the auger button. So let me go ahead and do that. I press and the green light will come on. And when I release, the igniter lamp will come on. There it is. And that will stay on for about 10 minutes. I've timed that already and it's fine. So it's working fine. Now what we have to wait for is the little light behind the faceplate to come on. And when it does, the auger motor will drive as well. So let's wait for that cycle to happen. That typically takes about 30 seconds to happen. There it is. Oh, we can barely see the little green LED back there. Let me see if I can tilt this so that the next cycle comes up a bit better. We can see it. Just waiting on that cycle to happen again. There, we can see it clearly that time. So we'll do one more cycle, and then I'll go through the low positions. Low, B, C, D, E, max position. So there it is. So we're seeing that it takes, in the low position, it takes a bit of time before the auger gets cycled on again. As I go to the max position, the intensity of the convection fan increases, but we should see a shorter cycle time between off and on. So there we're on longer, so the duty cycle is higher, but the off time is a little bit less, so it'll come on sooner. It comes on a little sooner for a longer period of time, which means we are driving more pellets into the fire pit. So there we're seeing it now for sure, longer on, off, and it'll come on for a longer period again. So that's how we drive more pellets into the fire pit, causing the fire to roar a little higher and causing the increased heat to be dispensed into the room. So there it is, Chuck. Everything on your controller is functioning correctly. I'm ready to return this to you. I want to thank you very much for sending this to me. And if any of you Breckwell owners out there have problems with your controllers, feel free to contact me at the contact information listed in the comments of this video. Chuck, thank you. I appreciate it very much. Over and out.